Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the Ashford Hospitality Trust, ticker symbol AHT, after a monster Friday, bringing us all the way back into bullish territory. We're going to break down the chart, look at some key levels and what we can expect moving forward. So without any further ado, let's hop right into the analysis. All right, real quick, before we hop into the chart, I do want to point out to everybody that there is a full transcript on the Motley Fool of the Ashford Hospitality Trust Q1 2021 earnings call that just happened. It took me maybe about 20 minutes to read through, but it offers some amazing insights from insiders of the company. So it's a phenomenal read if you're thinking about swinging this stock or investing long term. But with that being said, let's hop right into the chart. And as you can see here, Friday brought an absolutely beautiful move to reclaim bullish territory. Now, we last talked about this stock on Wednesday after close. I made a quick video, and I pretty much was saying how we need to hold this 280 to 282 range. That's where that 50 SMA was, the 200 SMA was, and this 282 support level. Unfortunately, from the very start on Thursday, we did not hold this level. We went right through, gap down, and we could not reclaim it. So then we broke this 267 support and we went all the way down, touching this 244. It was a great dip buy opportunity. I hope some people took advantage of it. But yeah, it was just a very unfortunate move after such positive and promising earnings. However, on Friday, we did see a shift in the momentum. We retested this 244 line to start the day, but after that, we were just moving above the VWAP, above this 267 support level after testing it a few times, and then all the way over these crucial ranges here to get above the 282 support and close at 286. So now let's look at the indicators that show why this stock is so bullish heading into this next trading week. First and foremost, as always, we take a look at the VWAP. It's this yellow line, the volume weighted average price. And as you can see, AHT closed well above the VWAP on Friday. That is a very good sign for the bulls. It means the bulls are in control heading into next week's trading session. After that, a few other important indicators. The first one I like to use, it's more of an intermediate term moving average. It's the 21-day EMA. It's all the way down here at 256. And as you can see, after Friday's move, AHT is currently sitting well above that. That means we are in bullish territory in the intermediate term. Now looking at the longer term moving averages down here, this 276 mark, that's the 50-day SMA, and the 200-day SMA is right here at 280. And AHT was able to close above both of those. Those are huge bullish signs. You know, normally those are the most basic indicators of whether a stock is in bullish or bearish territory, and being able to reclaim that after such a strong move on Friday is a very bullish sign. Normally, if you do see a pretty strong move, this is where you're going to start to see some major resistance getting above that 200-day SMA. But as you can see, AHT kind of just cruised right through that. And now we're sitting very pretty. Now just recapping once again our key support and resistance levels. So the first one, I mean, nothing changed. The first one's going to be still here at 282, but it's going to be this entire zone right here from 276 to 282. That is a very key level, once again, for AHT to hold if you want to see it start making higher moves up. If it's not able to hold, we're once again going to see this 266 zone in play as we saw on Friday. This was a major zone for us to get above. You know, we saw a strong move in the morning, but we couldn't get above this zone, and thus we had to kind of reset, retest VWAP, get above VWAP, and then we were able to break it, retest it, break above again, retest it, and then finally we started to make a move up. So as you can see, that's a very, very important support level. AHT does tend to respond to this 266 zone. You also saw that on Thursday where, you know, AHT tested this level a couple of times in the morning, but unfortunately wasn't able to get a clean break above. So it had to keep falling further to the next support level at 244. And 244, as you can see, held pretty strong on Thursday and Friday morning. It is a support level that AHT also tends to respect. So those, if anything, those should be kind of your buying levels if you want to get AHT in a discount. If you follow me on Twitter at Dr. Magoops, you'll see that I was scaling in heavy here. I tweeted out right here on Thursday morning that I was scaling in heavy here, and that right here I added to my position, just because those are the levels you want to add at, and see whether we're going to start changing, getting a shift in momentum and start bouncing to the upside. Now, speaking of the upside, let's take a look at the resistance levels. So the first one to get back above, we talked about this in Wednesday's video, getting above 290 makes this stock very bullish. We should be back over $3 soon if we can reclaim the 290s. After that, there's 320. And if we can get a clean break over 320, then we could start moving all the way up to 380 and then 420. And then after that, potentially $5, just scrolling up to show you guys that. So yeah, the 380 zone and the 420 zone historically have been key resistance levels for the stock. So if we can't get that clean break over 320 this week, watch for the test here. And after that, if we can break those levels, then this stock will move to $5. It will get crazy bullish. We can expect to see a huge uptick in volume, in momentum, and that's exactly what you want if you're long in this stock. So let me know whether you agree, whether you disagree. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. Just drop them down below in the comments. Or like I said, on Twitter, at Dr. Magoops, give me a follow. We're almost at 100 followers there. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. And other than that, enjoy the rest of your weekend.